Dear friends, welcome you for the video on interface versus implementation. In this video, we can see what is an interface, then how to implement an interface. Then we can see important question and answers from that topic. First, let's see what is an interface. Actually, interface is an intermediator between two objects. We know operating system, which is an interface between user and computer hardware components. Like we know Google Map. Google Map is also guide to the user by its route map. Like that interface contains a set of actions. Here given the definition, an interface is a set of action that an object can do. Given simple example, if we want light, simply we have to switch on the light. Here we can use switch as an interface. So when you switch on the light, we can get light. Here given that example, when you press a light switch, the light goes on. You may not care how it is splashed the light. Here we are using switch as an intermediator between that person and the light. In object-oriented programming language, an interface is a description of all functions. Descriptions of all function means here each interface we are having certain number of functions to do various operations. In this switch we are having two operations, two functions. One is turn on and turn off. When you turn on the switch we can get light. When you turn off you can switch it off. So here we have two functions like this. Each interface we are having certain number of functions that must be given in order. Order means if you want to switch off the light must be in on. So that is the function definition like turn on and turn off. It must be in some order. So in our example, anything acts like a light, you should have function definition like turn on and turn off. Here for the switch only we are having two functions. Like this, any interface you can consider. For each interface we are having certain number of functions to do various operations. Here, based on interface purpose, we can give any number of properties. Here given example, class type T. For this class type T, we can give any number of functions like X, Y, Z like that. Here given simple example. X means simply like a turn on function and another function like this. Depends on interface purpose, we can construct different types of functionalities. Here given simple example, this example is not given in the book, so for your understanding I given this. Here class, for that previous example only given in the code format. Class switch, here switch is an interface. Here I given two attributes, cost and its type. Here we have two functions which are also called it as methods or its behavior. Here switch on, this is the first method, and switch off, these two methods for the class of switch. Next, what is class, what is an object, what is an interface, then what is the difference between interface and implementation. A class declaration combines the external interface with an implementation of that interface. This implementation must be depends on the object's behavior. Behavior means previous we have seen. Here switch is an object. For this object we are having switch on and switch off behaviors. These are also called it as functionalities. These are called attributes. These are functionalities or it is also called behavior. Its code depends on its object's behavior. What is an object? Object is an instance created from the class. Class is a collection of objects. Object is an instance created from the class. It's just an instance, that's all. Interface defines an object's visibility to the outside world. Depends on its behavior, it is going to construct the interface. That must be visibility to outside the world. Next, what is the difference between interface and implementation? Interface just defines what an object can do, but it won't actually do it. Whatever behavior can be done by the object, which explained by the interface. But implementation carries out instruction defined in the interface. Whatever functions we are given in the interface. So that functions how we are implemented, how we are defined each and every instructions. That will be explained by the implementation. This interface implemented by this implementation. Then in object-oriented programs, the classes are called as interface. And the object is processed, how the object is going to be processed and executed is the implementation. Next, what are the characteristics of interface? Let us consider class templates. Class template means it's a model. If you are going to construct a model, actually interface we can consider as an application. If you are going to construct an application, we must specify, must enable an object in proper manner. We must create the object and operate it in proper manner. Only we can tell it is better performance of interface. Next, its object attributes and behavior is controlled by sending functions to the object. Here you know this. Here these are all functions. Here we can pass the information from one object to another object by passing the information. Here we can get the information, at the same time we can pass the information to another function also. Next, here given simple example. Here this is driver. Here example, let's take the example of increasing a car speed. Here to increase the car speed, so the driver has to increase the speed in accelerator. Here we are having accelerator, which is the interface between driver and the engine. So driver doesn't care about how the engine works. So engine has various functionalities. So the driver doesn't care about how the engine is going to be worked. Just he wants to increase the speed of the car. Suppose if he wants to increase the speed, he just press the accelerator. So accelerator based on engine's performance, it is going to do this. So check whether the speed is based on the current user's need or not. If it is there, required speed is there, this will okay simply do this nothing. Else it has to do this remaining process and increase the speed of the car. This example only here explained, the person who drives the car doesn't care about the internal working of the engine. To increase the speed of the car, he just presses the accelerator, which is the interface between driver and the engine, to get the desired behavior. His desired behavior is to increase the speed of the car. Here the accelerator is the interface between the driver. He can call the information, call the function also, invoke the objects. I'll show it how it is going to be done. In this case, the function call would be speed 70 km per hour. This is the interface here. Internally, the engine of the car is doing all the things. It's fire, fuel, air pressure and electricity coming together all to create power to move the vehicle. So all these things will be done by the engine. The driver doesn't worry about all these things. All these actions are separated from the driver only. Driver is not going to take care of all those things. Who just wants to go faster, that's all. So thus we separate interface from the implementation. We are given that it's in this code format. That is also not given in the book for your understanding. So here class accelerator, class name object. So this is attribute speed given. Here given one function get speed. So whenever the driver calls increase the speed, this function will be called, invoking the function. This function will be called. Based on here given operation, it is going to be worked. Next, here given simple example. The example also given in the book. Here given simple function. This is one simple function. This function defined with the keyword of let. Let is a keyword. Min is a function. Here our instruction given to find the minimum of 3 numbers. So we know this already, we have studied. So it is going to check the x number with y. If x less than or is equal to x less than y, the condition is true, then x less than z or not. We are comparing this x with y as well as z. If both the conditions are satisfied, then x will be returned. Else z will be smallest number. If the condition is not satisfied, this will come to this part, else part. This will check, already x number checked with y, now y has to check with the z. Then y is smallest number, else z is smallest number. Next we can see important question and answers from our book bag. Which of the following defines what an object can do? Here interface only intermediator between two objects. Which of the following carries out the instruction defined by the interface, which is implementation? Next, two more questions. Mention the characteristics of interface. Characteristics, first two characteristics given based on how we are creating the interface. So when you construct an interface, class template specify the interface to enable an object to be created and operated in proper manner. So here we are having attributes and functionality, behaviors. Functionality is only based on behaviors. Next, object attributes and behaviors is controlled by sending functions to the object. Next, big question, 5 more question. Explain with an example interface and implementation. Interface is a set of actions that an object can do. Here switch on the light, here switch is our interface. Here we have two functions, two operations. They are switch on and turn off. So here like this, for each purpose of the interface, we can construct any type of class. For that class, we can construct different types of functions also. Here given example type T. For the type T class, we can construct different functions called X, Y, Z example. So next here given difference between interface and implementation, which is important. Two more question also. Interface just defines what an object can do but won't actually do it. But implementation carries out the instruction defined in the interface. Here actually object oriented programming like C++, Java, classes are the interface and how the object is going to be processed and executed is called the implementation. Now we are in this video we have seen that what is interface and how to implement an interface. Finally we have seen the important question and answers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.